Hi guys, welcome back to Grow Kit. So as you can see, it's a very windy, wet day today, so I hope you can hear me. So I've just come out here today, just plottering around really. I've trimmed the grass around the edge of the beds. Couldn't mow the grass because it's too wet, and I've just done a bit of weeding. So I'm just, basically we're finished for the year now, except for the overwinter seeds that I've put in. So as soon as everything starts dying back, it will be a case of pruning the fruit bushes and the grapevine and pulling out everything that's left in the beds. End of year conclusion, not a bad year. I've definitely learnt a lot this year. I haven't had any great successes other than cucumbers, and the potatoes did well. Everything else kind of failed, but lessons have been learnt, as I say. I'll definitely need a greenhouse, so I'll show you in a minute. I've got some wood and some polycarbonate roofing from a conservatory, so I'll see if I can throw a greenhouse together with that lot. Other than that guys, I'm just going to show you around absolutely everything that's in the veg plot. Alright guys, I hope you can hear me. It's very windy today and it has been raining, so the grass is all wet. So I'm going to start this end and take you through everything I've got in the veg patch. So we'll get started. So this is chicken manure in them 2 bags, hedge cuttings, a massive pile there. That's just where I've been putting household vegetable scraps into that compost bin. So hopefully we'll have some compost there ready at the bottom. And this is where my leaves and harvest stuff goes, just to break down in there a bit. So I'm not really put much effort into composting. I know I should really, but I've just been chucking everything in piles. That's my wood pile. I've got all sorts of decking wood and stuff there. I've got some polycarbonate sheets and a couple of windowed doors from a conservatory. So at some point I'll be hopefully building myself a greenhouse out of all this lot. So that'll be a video to look forward to. These are all my cuttings and strawberry runners. These are fig cuttings, they seem to be doing really well. These 3 here are buddleia, the big butterfly bush. As you can see, this one's doing really well. These 2 not so good, but they're not dead yet. These are all strawberry runners that I've took this year. That one's confused and it's put a flower out. So this is the first bed, with the pumpkin in it. We've got a few little pumpkins on there, but they're only just starting out, so I don't think they've got time now. But there's another one down there. I'm not sure if I should cut some of them off to give the other ones a chance. So if anyone knows what I should do with that, let me know in the comments, that'd be fantastic. And sweet corn, I don't think we've got much of a chance now, probably no chance, but I'll just leave them in there. Tomatoes here, I've got 3 tomato plants along there, which were planted very, very late. I think it was like beginning of July I put them in there, so far too late, but I didn't want to throw them away. And we've got 1 tomato on there. Lots of flowers and that, so if they had another couple of months we'd be fine with them. They look quite healthy. This bed was clear, did have potatoes in it. I have sown quite a few more seeds in here, but germination's not very good. Got a few carrots coming up. Not that many. And I can't see any onions. Yeah, there's one onion there. Chinese kale seems to have come up okay. The wind's kind of blowing it around, I think. And beetroot is just starting to come through. It's been raining a lot and it's very windy, so that's kind of been a bit squashed by the looks of it. Nothing from the spinach. And no lettuces yet. So this is kind of my fruit area. So that's a gooseberry bush, a couple of years old. Haven't really had a harvest off of that yet. But it keeps getting sawfly and it has recovered, so I'll prune it out a bit when it dies back. These are raspberry canes. I've given them a prune and I've just kept 3 canes for next year. That little one there, I just don't think that'll do much now, so I'll probably cut him off eventually. These 2 currant bushes here, once they've died back I will do a video of how to prune them. Strawberry plants, they were first year plants and I took runners, so we didn't get very many strawberries this year, but they're looking good, so hopefully next year we'll get a fair few more. These are the 2 seed grown grapevines that we planted out in here. This one here is doing really well. This one here looks okay, it's not doing as well. These were the seeds that we sown in here, beetroot and carrot. Patchy germination on the carrots again, and beetroot seems fine. They seem much better in there than what they were in the ground anyway. These were just some leftover sunflowers which were in here. They've done alright actually. Not very big, but they've done alright. And the tomatoes, which we neglected, or are neglected, and we pruned them back really late. We've got a fair few on now. A couple ripening over there, a couple of ripe ones over there. I have to take them off. And we'll leave that, see if the other ones have time to ripen. So this is my grapevine, my white Chardonnay I think it was. So when he dies off I'll prune him as well. These were fig cuttings from last year. They've done really well. This one's done well. I've just had to straighten it out because it was leaning right over. And this is the bed we cleared the other day. Just a couple of carrots left in there. And these were 2 blackcurrants and a tayberry which I bought this year. Something started attacking them, so I've just left them alone. The 2 tomatoes that we put in the ground, and again I let them go a bit wild and pruned them back not so long ago. I did a video of that as well, but they've got some nice tomatoes on it now, so another few weeks they might they'll grow a bit more hopefully, so at least they may not ripen, but I can take them off and do something with them. And last but not least is my rhubarb. Victoria was the variety of this one, I think. It's all died back now, and these two leaves just regrew not so long ago, and that one regrew and got eaten. It's trying to grow again now, but it should die back soon when it starts getting cold, and then it will start again next year, and we can harvest it next year hopefully. Alright then guys, so that's about it for this episode. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you've got any pointers for me or any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. And I hope you will subscribe if you haven't done so already. So I'll be doing the greenhouse video as soon as I make a start. I will video the whole process and I'll put that up. So keep an eye out for that. And when I'm pruning the fruit bushes and the grapevines, I'll do another video of that, and I'll keep you updated on everything else. So I'll see you next time guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great week. See you later.